Hello again, folks. My name is Paul Boursier, and I'm the curator at the Museum of Science and History in Jacksonville, Florida, known far and wide as MOSH. And I'm here at home to promote yet another online exhibit produced by MOSH. And here to help me are some friends of mine from Marvel Comics. Here we have Felicia Hardy, the Black Cat. We have Patsy Walker, Hellcat. And we have Kitty Pryde, Shadowcat. Can you see the pattern here? No, this exhibit isn't about felines, but rather their deadliest enemy. No, I'm not talking about the Kingpin or Death Urge or the Shadow King. I'm talking about Curiosity. Yes, although Curiosity is known to have killed the cat, surely a catastrophe, Curiosity is welcome at MOSH. Heck, it's our tagline. Our new exhibit online is Collections Curiosities, and it features many cool artifacts, historical artifacts, and natural history specimens from the museum's collection. Items from a variety of categories, from old photographs of Jacksonville to a shark jaw. Now, by curiosities, we don't necessarily mean oddities, but rather things that make you ask, what is that? What's going on here? And what do we know about this item? Collections Curiosities is MOSH's very own show and tell, and you can find it by clicking on the link shown here or by going to themosh.org/explore/online-exhibits. Now, I'm not saying that the exhibit is perfect, but it's worth checking out. And if you haven't seen any of the other online exhibits we have, now's a good time to catch up on them. Now, do any of you ladies have anything to add? No? What's the matter? Cat got your tongue? What do you mean you weren't paying any attention? Catnapping, really? Well, that's it then. Catch you later.